Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Hello po. Kasama natin ngayon 30 of our elite business partners. Ang sa atin the best of the best. And we are celebrating 15 years of trusted friendship and global excellence. Congratulations to Kuya Kim and Sir Joey. Sir Joey, ano po nga parang tumanda na kayo together? You grew up together. Oo, pag sa 15 years and next year 20 years na ng Sunday, right? Sir Joey, ano message natin kay Kuya Kim? Bago tayo... Malakas naman ang boses ko sa
Well, nakita namin, some of the videos here are the first videos that we have before. Like, yung ang taba mo ba nun? Kasi nung time na yun, we're preparing for our first Ironman race. It's a half Ironman race sa Cebu. First yun, first in Cebu, yung kami nag-meet. It's just about, nakita ko lang si Kim nung time na yun, he's wearing a watch na gamit ng mga triathlete. Kaya wala pa yung gagawin sa Philippines. So, dun na-realize na this might be something na pang long term kasi parang masaya mga match made in heaven already. We started there and who would know that 15 years after we'll still be together. Ito po sila na tumitigil yun doon. Of course, syempre ako sa akin my message not only to Kim but to the entire Sunday family. Parang we've been together for with Kim 15 years with the Sunday family. This year will be our 19th year. We've been together through thick and thin, ups and downs, pandemic, lahat ng mga dilubyo inabot na natin. But we're still here. We're still here believing that there could be something even better year after year. And we're very thankful because I always believe that there's a divine intervention here. We're here for a reason. We're here not only for the betterment of our family, but to help more and more people. Not only in the Philippines, but globally. Initially, it started in the Philippines for the Philippine market, but right now, we're inspiring a lot of different nationalities. And we're receiving a lot of messages from our Indonesian team, these are Indonesians, and they're excited to see you all next week during our regional travel in Singapore. So it's not only about one single nationality, but it's about a company believing that someday we can inspire and make a mark in the global arena, a Filipino company. So we're proud of that. And thank you, Kim, for partnering with us, di ba? 15 years, I can imagine pag 30 years anniversary ng partnership natin. Dapat fit ba ng natin?
Kuya Kim, ano po ang masasabi niyo sa Sante family?
Magandang tanghali sa inyo lahat. Ako ay believe that marriage is an accident. Nothing is an accident. Everything is pre-planned and everything is preordained by the Lord. For instance, may parang kung meron tayong contract sign, hindi silang airport ng ibon. Ang init, di ba? At the same time, ang temperature sa labas, parang 41 to 42 degrees Celsius ang init. Pag-init. Mainit sa labas, mainit sa loob. Hindi na mahiwati. Ibig sabihin, kung lagi na taon na hindi napakainit din ang sales ng sana. But, I also believe that nothing is permanent and change. I remember when I started out in television about 22 years ago, pag merong press ko na yun, punong-puno ang venue. Ang malalaki camera, ang camera malaki pa eh. Pwede kagamit. Tapos yung mga natin, mga press natin, Chanyo, ang mga pinalaki cameraman, ang camera mo natin yung SLR, mahaba ang decade. So, about 100 venues full of huge equipment. Nowadays, isa lang ang camera. Something market na yan. Because you're now equipped with your telephones. Everything is taken by your telephone, everything is written by the phone, everything is delivered by the phone. Ang laban ngayon online. Online. So I can see the direction that Sunday Market is going also. Because of all the market companies in the Philippines, Sunday is the most flexible, the most magaling ka-adjust, mabilis mo ka-adjust. And I can see success in Sunday this year because we shall really go online all the way, passionately, and quick for this. So I'm excited to be a partner again because it's my 15th year with Sunday Marley. And kung naman si Sumigo, sabi na lang si Sumigo eh. Kasi the things, the same thing, over every year. Siguro ano na lang, that first day na usually medyo matatrabaho. That was the time when Joey and I were training for Cebu Ironman 728. Mataba kami pareho kasi wala pa ng rate nun eh. Hindi pa tayo mamayad. Pero mukhang gubat, di ba? Parang matandawin sa gubat. Alam nyo sa Cebu yun? kaya tayo nagkwento mo yan, kasi nakakita tayo ng mga tuloy. And then one video there, Joey and I were running in Central Park because our last 10K before our New York Marathon, our first New York Marathon. So, gano'n na rin kami kalagin ni Joey God said, may na, isika pa natin Joey. Now it's the kids, so Joey, but very active already on Sunday. Kaya eventually ako na rin. As he said, no, this is a partnership and friendship that will stood time, 15 years, good times, bad times, challenging times, easy times, and I'm excited for the times to come because I know it will be good. So, thank you, and thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, and maraming salamat. Excited to work with Sandy again, passionately, wholeheartedly, this coming year. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Salamat, Kuya Kim at Sir Joey. Siyempre, alam natin, si Sante International at si Kuya Kim ang dalawa sa pinagkakatiwalaan ng mga Pilipino. At palakpakan po natin sila. Next year, 20 years na po ang Sante. Abangan natin yan, Sir Joey. Malaking celebration. Pero buksan ko muna yung floor for a few questions. Later, mas makakausap ng media si Kuya Kim ng one-on-one. Pero I'm opening the floor now for questions. Sino muna magtatanong? The beautiful Tessa Mauli, the president of the Philippine Entertainment Society of Entertainment Editors. Sorry.
Good morning and congratulations po, Sir Joey, of course, Kuya Kim. Kuya Kim, of course, you've always been, open with your past challenges with your health, no? But the last 50 years, obviously, has been very good for you. Has there been anything in that past 50 years of using Sante Barley na nasurpresa kayo na hindi nyo alam na gagawa ko pala ng Sante Barley para sa inyo?
I remember the first time I signed up with Sante Barley, it was after my stroke. I suffered a stroke in 2010, and then we did some in 2011. So, a year after my stroke, I was training for my first Ironman when I started with Sante Barley. Since I started out on television, I never endorsed a product that I don't use, that I don't believe in. So I started using Sante Barley when after training for that Cebu Marathon, Cebu Ironman. And I was surprised because ang immune system ng isang atleta, lalo na pag-push nila sa stream, napakababa. Kami ang pinakamabilis ko kasi lalo na pag-pit ka na. And Sante Barley, as natin po ba yan, talagang hindi ako nakasakit, hindi ako sinisip, hindi ako hindi immune system ko. Hindi because of the ratio of the product. And a pleasant surprise, aside from the fact that it gives me all the vitamins and all the nutrients that I want, masarap yung brain. Ang tendency ko nga sa Sante Barley is I overtrain. And when you overtrain, tatay ka naman. Kasi hindi mo fiber. So dapat alam mo yung limit mo natin ito talaga eh. Because it's so good that you want to drink some more. And when you do, yun naman ang effect mo because of the fiber. And then finding out about Sante Barley also Joey. Because they know that in the face of Sante Barley, dapat na ito isang beses. Ako, gusto naman supply mo lagi. Kasi masarap talaga. Masarap talaga. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat, Kuya Kim. Ang susunod.
Wala may execute. Wala may... Yeah.
Hello. Sino ang susunod? Si Kate at the heart po ng Random Report.
Good morning, sir. Congratulations.
Okay, nice to see you again.
A lot of people.
Hello.
A lot of people would say.
Mahilig ba ito?
Hello.
Malakas mo.
A lot of people would say na don't mix business and friendship. What has been the secret for it to last 15 years?
Uy, magandang ikaw na, Joy.
Yeah, I've heard of that a lot of times. Ako yung pananaw ko ron. Tama yun eh. Sometimes whenever you're friends and you decided to be partners in business, minsan nagkakaroon ng breaking relationship. Kami ni Kim magkaiba. Kasi we never started naman as friends. Nagkakilala kami, I'm in Sunday, he is the man, di ba, in the industry. And na-develop yung friendship by being together in the business. So I think mas stronger yun eh. So it doesn't matter whether, for me, like yung mga kasama ko dito sa Sunday, they were never my friends. Nagkakilala kami sa business. pero nung nagkasama kami sa business, mas naging stronger yung partnership and relationship that it can last a lifetime. So ako, lesson learned sa akin, proven na yun eh. Isa talaga pag may kaibigan at pag may negosyo ka, nagkakaroon ng break ng relationship eh. Pero pag nauna yung business, mas matibay naman yung friendship in the long run.
Ako, I'd like to say that it's not without its challenges. Dahil kaibigan ko si Joey, I'm more expressive to Joey. Pag may hindi sa kuwat, pero kung hindi gusto, nasasabi ko, kaibigan ko rin. And the same way, hindi ko siya sa akin. But actually, that's healthy. Kesa yung gusto akala, yung ibang friendship, tatago mo, pag-iitik na, mamaya magkakaroon na kayo. Because we're friends, we're open to each other. And it's a good thing.
Thank you. And Kuya Kim, kasi when you say healthy lifestyle, parang it sounds rigid and you need a lot of discipline. So, can you share with us your kind of healthy lifestyle? Do you still get to indulge?
Magandang tanong. A healthy lifestyle for us is something that you can sustain and something that you enjoy. Just like something like you. A product can be so good for you that tastes like you cannot sustain it because you will take it. If something is good, you can sustain it. But as far as my lifestyle, for about 15 years, I was in the triathlon. Joey and I were doing Ironman races. Joey is the one. So habang mga kailan mo Joey, done marathons, endurance. But because I'm almost 60, in 6 months I'm turning 60 again. All studies show that when you hit the age of 50, kinakailangan mag-shift na yung workout mo sa muscle building. So if you notice I'm more muscular now, I can show my abs if you like. I'm more muscular. Yes.
Patingin siya.
Because it's what our body needs. As we turn older, kailangan mas muscles for longevity. And it's something that I enjoy. Like I just came from I came from a workout now. And our workout, just my gym is just 5 kilometers away. And Joey joining me also, we do Ironman races together. So again, Ironman is also compatible with the Sunday lifestyle.
Thank you.
At dagdag pa, my son naman took over my triathlon passion. My son is based in Boston. So he ran his 21K play. He runs 21K regularly. Ang time niya 1 hour 30 minutes. Really so that he's training for a full Ironman in 2 months. At yung anak ko rin Joey, sila naman yung take over sa triathlon. Joey and I, mawasan na tayo.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Okay, ito po yung huling question for the session na to. Ipapasa ko. Hi, Hannah Mallorca of Inquatito ka, Hannah. Of Inquirer. Palakpakan po natin siya. Palakpakan talaga. At ang huling magtatanong sa panel ko is from GMA7, si Nerissa Almo. And then later, continue tayo, Kuya Kim, sa roundtable discussion.
Maybe, itong mic na lang hindi ask question.
Oo nga, pasensya na po. Ang huli magtatanong po sa session natin is si Ms. Nerissa Almo bago tayo mag-formal contract signing. At Kuya Kim, may sorpresa ang Sunday para sa'yo na sigurado magugustuhan mo. Nurse?
Kasi may minsan sa mga health offs, parang may time ba na parang medyo tinatamad kayo to work out and as a endorser or ambassador of Santo, may pressure ba to always be with that healthy lifestyle?
Magandang tanong. Alam mo sa larangan ng nutrition, ng sports, daig na masipag at daig na maaga ang talented. Marami na kami nakita sa triathlon, super talented, pero hindi masipag. Eventually, mas mabilis pa si Joey, mas mabilis pa ako, mas mga talented na kita lang. The secret is, kahit tinatawag ka, you just have to tinutulungan, gusto tinutulungan, and then do it. Dito pumasok yung dapat sustainable. Dapat enjoy ka sa program. Kasi kahit na-enjoy ka sa program, tatawarin ka rin. The nature of the body is to snack off it. But if you enjoy the program, at hindi naman kung mataraw mababa ka, ano yun? Palagi. Madalas yan. Lalo na magkamali ang oras. ito, meron tayong press con. Sinachi ko, yung workout ko, pagkatapos sa press con, pagkatapos sa lunch, hindi ko na gagawin. Pero ako, hindi ko na gagawin. Para ganado ko, ang ganado ko ngayon, ay nakakawin. Pero kung ginawa ko alas 2, hindi ko na gagawin.
May pressure po ba na parang, ay, dapat
Oh, may pressure, of course. May pressure. Hindi mo ako ma-enjoy kung hindi ako healthy. And because I want to be healthy, not for anything else, but to be healthy, this energy. Yeah, but for Sunday, and for myself, and for my family, those out, I want to stay healthy. It's the way I am.
Maraming salamat, nurse. Proceed po tayo ngayon sa formal contract signing, yung ceremonial contract signing natin. Pero po ako ng... Ayan po. Siyempre kasama natin ang mga board of directors natin, si Sir Francis, si Sir Paul, at simulan na natin ang ating ceremonial contract signing, sir. Ayan, we are sealing the deal. 15 years of global excellence, 15 years of trusted friendship, and to the next 15 more years. Next year, 20 years na ang Sante. Palakpakan po natin ang partnership ni Kuya Kim at ng Sante International. Dalawa sa pinaka-pinagkakatiwalaan nating brands in the Philippines. Ayan. Ayan na. Official na, Kuya Kim. 1 more year with Sante International. Wala na, forever na to, forever na to. May forever pala. At Kuya Kim, ayan, exchange.